Hey guys, wanna know how to generate proxies to your clips in DaVinci Resolve? Well, in this video, I will be showing you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. What you need to do is simply hit towards the start button and search up for proxy generator. That should be as Blackmagic proxy generator. Just simply click on it. Now, once you've done that, an application should open, which is your proxy generator. And here, once your application is open, make sure you select a folder that has your selected audio in it. So for me, it is this folders. Click select folder. And here you go, your folder has been selected. Now it's on waiting status. Simply select start. But before you do that, you can also simply check in how to create proxies, maybe 8-bit, 10-bit, and much more. Now, once you're done with that, select start. And after a while, your proxy should begin. Now here you can see the status has been completed. Now you can just simply import it to DaVinci Resolve. Now head towards your file and then simply search up for your proxy generated video and then just import it. And there you have it. This has been inside the proxy folder. Now just drag and drop it. Now you can edit it however you like. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.